Okay.
Yay, truck salvage. What's up, everybody? As usual, welcome to, or back to FS2S. Before I jump into this video, do remember that the giveaway is still going on. All you need to do in order to be entered to win a free $100 and a free FS2S hoodie is simply be a subscriber. You can find out more information on the giveaway in my last video. You can also find out everything that you need to know about the giveaway in the description on this video. So hit that subscribe button, helping the page reach 1,000 subscribers and getting yourself an entry to win $100. Okay, so now, today's gonna be a pretty exciting yet pretty stressful day. That being because Junior's coming over and we're actually gonna be installing cab lights onto his truck. I say stressful because he's had these lights for a while and we just haven't really worked up the courage to drill a bunch of holes into the roof of his truck. But I guess right now, today, we're gonna find out just what that's like. So follow me outside and we can check it out. Okay, so here we are. Everything's all laid out, including the template for the cab lights. And I guess we're ready to begin. So we have the template laid out. We have 600,000 wires.
There's good wire here because this is what I used to wire my rock lights. See? Like this is the good wire.
Oh, okay, okay. Jesus Christ.
I left my house in a hurry, man.
Alright, cool.
There's wire in there, I promise.
So there's 16 pounds of wire and we should only need to use like 15 pounds. What the hell is this?
It's like a little key fob. For the cab lights? No.
And here's the grand prize. Recon unique truck lighting components. Are they just white?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Here they are. Damn. These look a lot better than what's on my truck currently. My trucks right now look like shit. I wish I had some. Then I could replace it. Look at that.
You know what? We'll just replace yours and you can just put mine. Yours on mine.
Yeah, yeah. We'll put mine on yours. Thanks, man. So today's video, the 6.7 dually gets new cab lights. It's gonna be sick. And his gets yellow teeth. All right, so.
Headliner first thing.
Headliner first thing.
It's just pulling the headliner down and then drilling, and then wiring, and then putting the headliner back up.
Okay, perfect.
The thing is, I don't know how to pull the headliner down.
How to pull it. Yeah, just cut it. Did you even look it up, or is this just what you think you're supposed to do?
No, I looked it up beforehand. So I roughly have an idea what I'm doing, but not really. I don't know what keeps up the headliner, to be honest. I think there's something in here, but I don't really know how to take that down.
When in doubt, break it out.
Oh, I see. Kind of. I don't know if I'm breaking this shit.
It
There's like
you to just. Oh, there you go.
Okay. You want a mirror?
Yeah, thanks, man. Perfect replacement. Just take off that screw there and have it unplugged. No more tuner.
I mean, that works.
No, yeah, that's.
I think this is the cab light wiring. Right
Really?
there. Maybe. What else would it be there for?
True. Oh, fuck. Fuck, how do I get up? Okay. Let's actually, if I can just wedge my foot right here. There we go. Okay, looks like this is the last thing that's holding it in. Already got the other side. Does it just fall? Are we all gonna die?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
That's it. Should be it. But there's wires that are gonna be. You have to get outside the
Yeah. Okay. So we professionally put the screwdriver in between the headliner and the roof to give us enough room to feed the wires through and all that. Have you ever even washed your roof since owning the truck?
I do it every single time. I have a little extension thing I get in my bed. No.
Okay. Can I have it? So, you know at FS2S we like to be different. So we're gonna be mounting the cab lights in the rear.
Reverse cab light.
And in the middle.
And
in the front. So we're gonna have 15 cab lights, and then we're gonna go to SEMA next year. Yep. I'm gonna tape my side.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it, don't worry, you don't gotta hand it to me.
And that's relatively flat, right? Yeah.
Yeah. I got it, you don't gotta hand it to me. Could you hand it to me?
Yeah, right
I can't reach it. Oh, thanks.
right there.
We need to try to make sure we get this shit done before the sun goes down. Unless you want to run with one for Christmas. Be Rudolph, man, and just run it and then put a Red Bull.
Rice spur in the middle?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, I think we're ready for the fun part.
Okay.
Yay, truck salvage.
Well, there goes the first hole.
Do you want to do the marker thing in case the paper like tears off?
Yeah. That'd be funny sometimes.
It's just the 3, right? You're doing the easy part, I'm doing the hard part.
That scares me every single time.
'Woo!
Jesus Christ, man.
All right, how to salvage a truck. That's what I'm gonna title the video, because that's what we're doing. This makes me want to cry.
Yeah.
Man.
I brought a little marker so
Put it like where
dead
it's
in the
supposed to
menor.
go?
Yeah, dead in the
Dead
center.
in the menor.
Dead in the menor. Dead in the center
All right.
for the wires.
This one doesn't matter as much though, right?
But I mean, still be careful.
Oh. 15 holes in the top of your truck. Just put straws down through so then you can drink rainwater whenever you're driving. There's one. There's another one.
I'm gonna take off the condom off. We should be fine with these little tiny holes.
Okay. So now we're adding the nail polish. This is pretty much useless, but I guess it'll make it look a little better and maybe prevent some rust. Premium silicone glue. Adheres to glass, metal, plastic, rubber, ceramics, fiberglass, and painted surfaces. Services.
Nothing like good ass services.
I love them painted surfaces and wood. Permanently waterproof, flexible, shrink / crack proof. Low odor.
Bruh.
Alright, quick test fit. We just fed the wiring through the hole. We haven't like screwed it all down yet. What if when you go to look at it, it just looks like complete shit from like down there? So we had to go to the store to get 3 machine screws that were about an inch longer because the 3 in the middle, the 3 lights in the middle, in the front it has like a layer of metal that kind of wraps around, so it has to go through both layers. Okay, so he's tightening the last one on there, and then they'll be all mounted up, just not wired yet. And no, it's not midnight. We're in Colorado, it gets dark at like 5 p.m. But yeah, I'll let you guys check that out once we get it wired up. Okay, it's the next morning now. Gonna give you guys a little bit of a better look. And that really wasn't so bad. The scariest part was probably just drilling the holes. So it's just wired up and the wires just run all the way down into the harness that came with the truck. So the job actually wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It was definitely really nerve-wracking drilling those holes into the roof. But the template that he had, that definitely helped. I would suggest getting yourself one of those if you plan on installing cab lights. Made it a lot easier. I really like the way the lights turned out. I hope Junior's satisfied with them. And I've come to the realization that the dually could definitely use a new set of cab lights as well. Maybe in the near future I'll slap some new ones on there. Anyways, I guess that's it. Let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys around in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for your chance at the giveaway.